Are you tired of throwing away money on overpriced ChatGPT subscriptions, which can cost anywhere from $20 to $200 each month? Or have you found yourself frustrated with DeepSeek's annoying server overload errors right when you need answers? And let's not even mention the privacy concerns that come with using DeepSeek servers. If you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. Introducing DeepSmartX. This AI powerhouse takes everything you loved about ChatGPT and DeepSeek and kicks it up a notch. With DeepSmartX, you're getting superior intelligence, unmatched features, and absolute privacy, all thanks to being built right here in the USA. It's your complete solution for generating all kinds of AI content, from video and music to text documents, all in seconds. Say goodbye to overpriced alternatives with DeepSmartX. You don't need to spend hundreds every month just to access basic features. Here's why you should make the switch: one-time payment for a lifetime account, no monthly fees. Generates text content, images, music, and videos effortlessly. No more worrying about data privacy, everything is securely hosted in the USA. Features that outshine the competition. DeepSmartX isn't just about avoiding common pitfalls, it crushes the competition with advanced features that help boost your productivity. Generate stunning videos in 15 seconds for your social media needs. Creates and edits images with a built-in editor in just one click. Real-time data access for accurate and up-to-date information. The power of AI at your fingertips. Imagine creating captivating music for your videos, generating compelling text for emails or blogs, and summarizing lengthy documents all within one platform. DeepSmartX takes it further. Read and analyze PDFs and website content instantly. Hands-free voice input for seamless interactions. Smart code suggestions to assist in your development tasks. Privacy and performance. You can trust your data security is crucial. DeepSmartX guarantees 100% privacy without compromising on performance. Unlike DeepSeek, there's no risk of your data being accessed by external entities. You can interact with peace of mind, focusing on your projects without concerns about downtime or privacy breaches. Forget the server errors that plague competitors. DeepSmartX is built to handle your needs efficiently. Why continue using multiple tools? With DeepSmartX, why waste your money and energy on multiple subscriptions? This all-in-one platform replaces dozens of AI apps, helping you save time and thousands of dollars. You can simplify your workflow and streamline your operations with just one tool. All-in-one AI capabilities for text, video, image, and more. Custom prompt libraries for saving your favorite prompts. Multi-language support to cater to a global audience. Your success story starts here. Time to make a change? DeepSmartX isn't just about AI, it's about empowering your work, enhancing productivity, and giving you the tools you need to succeed. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. Dive into a smarter AI solution that actually works for you. So why wait? Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Embrace the future of AI with DeepSmartX today. Get your lifetime account for an unbeatable one-time price. Start generating incredible content and watch your productivity soar.